Okay, so welcome everybody to CIS 194, the Windows Client Administration. I call it Windows Part 1 because it comes with a 195, which tends to happen in the spring as it's Part 2. My name is Urban. I teach all the cybersecurity courses at Cabrillo. I am a CISSP. I also create and run contests, cybersecurity contests for middle school, high school, and community colleges throughout California, Missouri, and Florida. This class focuses on mostly the Windows Client Operating System and Windows Server. It is divided easily into two halves, the first 8 weeks being Windows Client and the second half being the first Windows Server. It does tie with the MCSA and MCSE certifications, so if you're going in that route, that this class helps take care of 2 of the 4 certs in that realm. If you are in Canvas, either because you went through my website or you went through Cabrillo, you will have the same exact course. The only difference between the two, the two differences is number one, if you're signed up through Cabrillo, you'll get college credit. And then the other difference is the orientation module. This is the orientation module for Cabrillo. The college has a number of things that have to be checked off, whereas mine is just 4 items. At any point, please feel free to ask questions, either using your microphone or using the chat in either here in Zoom or on Discord, because I'll be watching both. So feel free to ask questions in any way. So the Canvas shell in itself is pretty straightforward. We'll be going through a module every week unless I say otherwise, which I know it's true later on in the semester. So for now, we'll do 1 module a week. You see everything that you'll be doing in that week. And the entire course is visible. So if you feel like you can jump ahead, go for it. There's nothing holding you back. These sessions will run at 2 o'clock every Monday, except next week because it's Labor Day. So we won't be live next Monday, but we'll through Discord, we'll figure out a time when we can do the next module. So like I said, the first half of the class is all on the Windows Client book, and then we hit module 6 where we spend a few weeks going through this, and then we pick it up again in module 7 with the second half and go all the way down to the end. For the most part, it is very straightforward. This is not meant to be a super complicated course that is hard to navigate, but you will see the exact same thing if you are doing it just following along or actually as a college course through Cabrillo. The other item that I want to show you for this orientation is Discord. If you've never used it before, it's a platform where you can communicate with others. I'm using it to leverage to communicate for this course. So everybody has access to the announcements, the general, the rules of this. The news is basically a repeat of anything I put on Twitter. And then anybody who's joining us can ask what course to join. This is the general voice chat where anybody can join and talk amongst other classmates, either within our course or within the other courses that I teach. Specifically to our course 194, you have a text channel that is meant for just this class. Anything live stream will be posted here. So for example, the Zoom chat is saved as a text file, so I'll just upload the text file in here. Any links that I talk about, I will add into this channel so you can refer to it back. So I'll start with week 1 links. And then as we go along, I'll throw in links in there. And then you have a voice channel to talk amongst this class. And on the right side, you see who is active and who is not. There are tons of other trainings or introductions to how to use Discord, but that's basically how you use it. You go into one of these channels and you say hello and everybody there will get it. And then you can communicate amongst each other. You can message someone specifically by using the @sign, and then you pick the person or the group. Yours will look a little different. From my point of view, I see everybody. So you can change, you can see who you see and message amongst each other. But this is meant to be a platform for you to collaborate and work with each other and help each other out. I am pretty active in it. So the best way to reach out to me, like during my office hours or while I'm out and about, is through Discord. And to answer this person's question, where's the Zoom meeting number? The link is in the announcements on Discord. Any questions about the overall orientation of the course? Either through the Zoom chat, through Discord chat, or by microphone. Any questions on how this is going to work? Cool. So let me stop this recording.